I tried this raw mango dish and now I cannot get enough of it. It's so simple to make. It's a one pot, one pan dish, and trust me, so delicious that you don't need anything else to go with this. Hello, namaste, Salaam Sat Sri Akal. My name is Piyali Mutha and the dish I'm talking about is Mamidikaya Pulihora or raw mango rice dish. Since this is officially the mango season, get your hands on raw mangoes and get cooking with me. For ingredients, check the caption below. In a pressure cooker or pan, cook rice till done. Add Asafetida to hot oil in a pan. Next goes in dry red chillies, cashew nuts, peanuts, chana dal, urad dal, and fry everything in the pan. Add mustard seeds and let it crackle. Next add green chilies, curry leaves, chopped ginger, and fry. Now add the finely chopped raw mango. Saute for a couple of minutes. Add salt, turmeric powder and mix everything nicely. Finally, add the cooked and cooled rice. Switch off the heat and nicely coat every grade of rice with the base spice mix in the pan. Mango rice is ready to eat. Share this reel with someone who needs an easy, ready in minutes dish right now.